Hi again, everybody. Nancy here. I got some China mail that I'm going to open up for you. I see from the label that it's a 30 by 30. Sadly, I don't track all my stuff very well, so I never really know what's coming in. Well, this is not a good sign. It's a box, and it came almost completely flattened. This is a really strange... BB wants to play. Everybody move. Yeah, BB. It was boxed and bubble wrapped. And smushed flat. It's pretty bad when you can't even get it open with scissors. Starting to open up. There we go. This is why I really like it when they use a foam core or they wrap it around something. Look how flattened that was. I will be making a comment about that, I am sure. There's the canvas. There's the drills. And it's only a 30 by 30, but it did come with a inventory sheet, which is nice. Tools, there's a single point with a, what is that, 6? A 6 on the other side with tweezers and wax and a green tray that's open on the end. I have such a collection of trays, and I really don't use them all. Alright, so this has been slightly creased, but I'm hoping that when I peel it back, it'll mostly come out. And then I'll lay it flat. I only really worry if there's a crease in the glue. I see the picture. This was a music note that I got off of Wish. Again, it's only 30 by 30, but it's a really nice design. I like it, and it's full. I'm not sure. I really thought it was bigger than that. Alright, peeling this off. The right side of the treble clef is red, and the other, oh wow, that's terrible. I'm not doing a very good job at all. I don't see any crease in the glue. It's just kind of pressed into the canvas. I think that'll come out okay. I hate these little tiny creases like this, because those are the ones that will flip up on you the whole time you're doing it. But I have a storage system now where I press everything flat up. Glue's coming off on the paper. So you gotta rub it. There, laid back down. Perfect. Yeah, it's pretty well creased. Luckily, this did not cost much. Nothing on Wish really cost too much. Okay, let me set that aside. And we will check out the drills. Some of these bags, it's like you just don't even know where they open. Ah, I got it. Okay. Drills and a sheet. Holy moly, look at that. It's been ripped up. It's filthy. Makes me wonder if what their work conditions are like, that this is that dirty. And it's from someone's hands. Wow. No check marks or anything. So again, here's some lovely bags. I'm not too hopeful about these drills. They seem to be okay. Okay, I'm really confused. I thought this was a square, but I'm seeing in the drills in the bag, let me see if I can find it. I see a lot of trash in there, little pieces they call trash, and I see square and round. I hope you can see that. Let's see. In the same bag. And not just one or two. That's really odd. Isn't it? I mean, are you supposed to do square? Are you supposed to do the round? They're both in the same bag of every color. If anybody can put in the comments what they think about this, about square and round in the same kit. I mean, that just doesn't make sense to me. Like, you're not going to do square and round on the same diamond painting. You have to pick one, right? So that means you're going to be short colors, or do they give you so many that you're not going to be short, maybe? I just don't get it. I don't get it. All right. There's got to be a pen here somewhere. Found it. Oh, great. I ripped it even more. Look how this came. Totally ripped open. Look, BB. Look. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. These are the bags that are very hard to read the numbers. 3768. 2. And you know how some DMC colors are 3 numbers? Which I think are more the classic numbers. And now there's this whole set of 4-digit DMC numbers. I have 10 4-digit numbers. It's just, I don't know. It strikes me as odd. 1, okay. Number 154, 1. I really like this treble clef. I just thought the design was so pretty. Here it is again. It's like a treble clef on fire. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. Hopefully it won't take too long. I cannot see the numbers on this at all. I see there's a number there, but I really wish they wouldn't use black. Boy, I'm full of complaints today. 820. 820. Yellow. 973. 1. Got it. I want to do the ones I can read. 741. And there's 2. Perfect. I like when these inventories go really fast and easy. I got one yesterday where the drills were all right, but I didn't get the tools in the kit, and I contacted Wish, and no one has gotten back to me yet. I don't know. 3685. Not getting tools is not that big a deal because I have so many. I can pull them from something else. 37, 60? Yeah, 2. Got it. And I just tick them off. I just make a little mark. 9.99. Nope. 6.66. I would think, like skipping a 13th floor on a hotel, that they would skip 666 for a DMC number. 932. 919. But I guess I'm superstitious like that. 720. I'm saving all the dark colors for last. It's going to go very slow at the end. 817. That's a very pretty red. I like that. 413. So far, so good. Trying to get the natural light on it so I can see it. 3842. 3842. 2 bags, yes. 793. 1 bag. I don't know if I like this part or not. It seems tedious. 3857. If I'm short or I have sticky drills that don't want to work, I've been known to pull similar colors and plug them in. As long as it's close enough and that I have enough. 902. I'm just not too particular, I guess. I just kind of go with the flow. If you got, it's like any crafting. If you have a problem, just make do. Nobody's gonna know. 3765. Your paint's not coming out right. Add a little more paint. 3858. None of this is an exact science. 803, 3 bags, yes. 838, 1 bag, yes. Some of these I would swear they're black. I would swear that's black, but it's not. 33, 30, yeah, 3371. 2, 1, 2. 30, 41. 8, 814, 3. Got it. 823, 3. I wonder what kind of day they had to rip this up like this. I mean, they crumpled it up, folded it up, and then ripped it. I'm also noticing the symbols on the sheet are not clear at all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. There it is, 939. And the last one is the big one, 23. I'm supposed to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Oh, it shorted me one. I just wrote in Sharpie on my bedspread. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. 22. Hopefully they gave me some money. And it's black. It's 310. So I have more blacks. I'm not gonna worry about it. But it will go into the review. Let me look. I want to look at the symbols on this canvas. Since the ones on the sheet are not clear. Oh, those are pretty good. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Gray. This is black. This color here is all the black. There's a lot of it. I don't know if you can see that. They're pretty clear. So I'm not going to worry about it. Well, there you have it. Good things come in small packages. You don't always have to get the biggest size. The truth will come out when I'm actually doing it. But this pattern, even though it's a 30 by 30, this pattern is pretty. It's doable. It's not going to overwhelm me. And the image is very clear. And I think it's going to come out really nice. So there it is. I will put the link in the comments. And that's all for now. Thanks. Bye.